Yo guys, what up? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, quickly guys, I did a gamut check, or not gamut, LUT, or log profile, not even LUT, log profile test. I basically recorded everything in Rec 709 gamut, and then I chose every log profile that was available. I did notice that MC Pro did have an update, and they added another gamut, DaVinci Resolve wide gamut and DaVinci Resolve log profile. I didn't include those in that because at the time when I did this test, those weren't available. So what I basically did was took my Rec 709 gamut, Rec 709 log profile, did a basic color grade on it, no special grading or anything, just color correction, make sure the whites were white, and that was pretty much it. And I copy pasted that on every log profile, and I didn't adjust everything, so I just left it from that one master. So the base is going to be the Rec 709, and then everything else after that, you can see what it basically, the effect that it does. So I hope this helps you guys out. And yeah, enough of the jibber jabber. Links down in the description. Email crew and buy me a coffee if you want. And all that other jibber jabber. I'll catch you in the next one. Patrick Levar. Peace. Rec 709 gamut. Rec 709 log profile. Linear profile. Standard profile. MS log 60. MS log 80. MS log 100. sRGB. sRGB. HLG 87%. HLG 95%. HLG 100%. HLG. MCine log. PQ 1000. MS log 82%. MS log 92%. MS log 100%. MS log extreme. ACES CCT. ML log C. MC log 3. Cineon film. MF log. MV log. M log 3G10. Don't touch. Don't. MS log 2. MS log 3.